Jacob Lewis, I'm gonna kick your ass.
You got a baby on your back. It came out of her mouth, Benji. Give her a few kicks, Benji. Benji, give her a few kicks so she knows to go. It came out of your mouth, Daisy.
You know what? I'm not gonna look as silly as you did last night with the baby.
Benji, give her a few kicks. Say, giddy up.
Now giddy up.
Say,
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna help my wrist.
Say, move it, Burro.
Move it, Budo.
Burro. Say, my burro is lazy.
Budo is lazy.
Hey, say, me,
Me,
burro,
Budo,
es,
es,
huevón.
we're born.
Say, mi burro es sin valor.
Oh, my eyes! I cannot see.
Give her a few kicks.
I don't.
Give her a few
see
kicks,
where
Benji.
we're going, AJ.
Say, giddy up.
Now giddy up.
Give her a few
I don't
kicks.
see where we're going, dummy. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going here. Do you want to go in the bottom and I'll go in the top?
What?
What? Yes. What? Are we going right or left?
Tell her to come back to the living room.
Then I go back in the living room.
How do I go back in the living room?
You got turn.
Turn to the right or to the left?
Left. Left.
Right.
Left.
That way. Huh? Now that way. That way, Horsey. That way.
I cannot see, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for letting me have a ride. Thanks for letting me have a ride, Horsey. Oh. Sorry. Sorry, Horsey. Giddy up, Horsey.
Sorry, horsey. Giddy up, horsey, really. You're done.
Now give her some treats.
Oh.
Now feed her.
Here's a treat.
Your hand is so
No,
nasty.
it's an apple.
Is it an apple? Okay, I'll take mine.
What's it like to be a burro?
You tell me.